What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. These are the DR.CAR LED lights. These are for my 2007 Ford Expedition. Once again, when you click on the link, make sure that this fits on your car. Now, this is 6000 K for brightness, cool white light. Now we are going to see what it looks like at night, of course, like I did with my other headlights for my Mercury Sable. And this is a pack of 2. I got 2 for $12 or something like that. I will post it anyway, so y'all can be aware of the price. Usually I go to Walmart and get the regular one. It'd be like 9,005, like 9005. I get a pack of 2 of those and then be on about my business. But I just want to try out different brands to see if there's a different brightness or, you know, different lifespan. So all right, let's get into the unboxing. All right, you guys, so this says 300 plus 300% brightness, 360 degrees adjustable, and easy installation. All right, so the box is pretty nice. You know what I noticed with these new type of lights, like the boxes are actually a good quality. Wow, this is nice, you guys. They give you, I don't know what kind of paper is in here, but it feels like paper. Let's see. Wow, instructions, and they give you gloves so you don't get your light bulbs dirty. That's a lot for pretty much $12. I mean, you would think gloves is like $5, right? Or something like that. And here you have the bulb. So this is nice. Of course, I don't have no gloves on while I'm touching it, so I'm kind of defeating the purpose right now, right? Forgot to mention, these are high beams and low beams. It says it in the description somewhere, but these are also high beams and low beams. All right, so let me go ahead and install these in the truck and do the final review at nighttime. And that's it. Okay, you guys, so 2007 Ford Expedition. You take those 2 screws out on the top off, and there you go. Okay, you guys, so we're about to install the DR.CAR headlights, and we're about to twist off the headlight right now. Take that off, and let's see, our electrical connector is right here. Sometimes the electrical connector is hard to get off, but it's off. So our old headlight is off and connected to the new headlight. Okay, you guys, that's as tight as I could get it in. All right, now we put in the new headlight. Twist, and that's it. All right, you guys, so stay tuned so you can see the brightness of these lights, and we will call it a day. Okay, you guys, here's the light, and the lights, the headlights are definitely brighter than the other headlights that I reviewed on the channel. Wow. So DR.CAR headlights are winning right now. This is the regular lights. That's the high beams. Regular high beams.